What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today my dad wanna show you how to install the bidet on your toilet. If you guys don't know what's the bidet, is something you can wash yourself. You don't need the toilet paper anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna explain anymore. If you missed my first video from my dad, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Check it out. So my dad started to make a video for me. I really appreciate that. So let's start. Before we start to install the bidet, we need to know about the toilet paper. The average person wipes their behind with about 384 trees within the lifetime in the form of the toilet paper. According to industry experts, a single tree can be used to make nearly 100 pounds of the toilet paper, with each roll weighing about half a pound. According to the SWNS Digital, Americans spend over $11,000 on just toilet paper in the lifetime, which equals out to almost $182 a year per person. If you want we save the trees together, please push the like button for YouTube algorithm. YouTube will notify more people this video, and hopefully we can make more people use the bidet instead the toilet paper. Thank you very much. Let's start the video. First we need to disconnect the hose. Before disconnect the hose, make sure you turn off the valve so you don't have a water, and test it because sometimes that valve is also bad. So this is the bidet. It's very simple. It's just the hose with the mountain, and the valve is like a three-way valve, actually two-way valve. So you just need to install that two-way valve here. It's very simple. Everybody can do it. You just have to turn it. You see there is a nut here. You just turn that nut and there is a valve. Sometimes you wanna go vacation, you don't want to leave that valve on, so you can't turn it off from over there because you don't want the pressure on the water bust that hose. After you connect that nut, so you connect the hose coming from your wall to that end on the bottom, and then you just connect the hose from this bidet. So I just gonna connect that end of the bidet right there. It's very simple. You see, just take the minutes, to install that. Really minutes. So please do it. Do it by yourself. Don't use the paper. I'm sorry, don't use the toilet paper anymore, and save all the tree, please. There you go, we just installed the bidet. It was very simple. So I'm pretty sure everybody can do it. So just you need to start with it. This is the information about the bidet, different bidet we have. So you can stop the video and read it. Thank you for watching. Make sure destroy the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the future video. Have a great day.